don't have to wait, you know my name. Sunshine and rain, some things don't change. Thinking about the days we were young, girl. Innocent in our ways, we were done, girl.
So today I'm going to clean my car with Carpro Descale. So I noticed that my hydrophobics, my performance on the car is lacking a little bit. So I'm going to use this shampoo to declog my ceramic coating. If I need to do another decontamination step, I will, with iron remover, tar remover, and we will see from there. Let's get into it. The ceramic coating that this car has is Avalon King Armor Shield 9, and it has Geon Canco Evo as a topper. As you can see, some panels on this car are not beading or sheeting water anymore. This is signs that the ceramic coating in those sections are clogged. Over time, minerals or water spots will clog your ceramic coating. This causes the surface to be less smooth and creates surface tension that does not allow water and dirt to shed easily from the surface. Now that I did the pre-rinse for my car wash, the next step I'm going to do is actually use a hand wash. So when you do this, you don't want this to dry on the surface. So I'm going to be quick with it. I'm going to put the money into the machine, put the spot-free rinse on there, and I'm going to do half of the car at a time. You also don't want to be in the sun. So I'm completely in the shade here, and I'm completely in the shade over here. You do not want this to dry on the surface. So as you saw with the pre-rinse, my lower halves of the car are very clogged up. So let's see if this shampoo can actually unclog it. Carpro Descale is classified as an acidic wash. This shampoo removes hard minerals, water spots, and revives ceramic coatings. Carpro Descale is a versatile cleaner. It can be used for coated or non-coated cars. With a pH of 6, this cleaner is capable of removing waxes, sealants, and tough dirt. So after my first rinse, after contact wash with Carpro Descale, I'm going to rinse it down, and I noticed that it's very lubricating and it smells kind of like cherry. So I'm not going to let this dry on the surface, so you can see how the hydrophobics changed. When rinsing down the car, you want to make sure to remove all soap residue. The water will neutralize the acidic soap. Due to the acidic properties of Carpro Descale, this should not be used for weekly washes. For regular washes, Carpro Reset works very well for ceramic coated cars. Carpro Descale can also be used in a foam cannon with a 1:10 dilution ratio. It is recommended to follow up with a contact wash after it dwells on the surface. Wow, Carpro Descale really brought back the water beating on this panel. After cleaning my car with Carpro Descale, I'm very happy with the results. Looking back at the pre-rinse section that I was doing, you saw that all my lower panels in my car were very clogged. After cleaning it with Carpro Descale, you saw that the beading and the sheeting came back almost perfectly. There were some spots that are still there, but I told you this is going to be a decontamination wash. This isn't going to be a whole decontamination step. So this shampoo is very good for every 3, maybe 6 months while your car is ceramic coated. So I'm very happy with the results. I will definitely keep using this in the future. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.